Chiflos Anan, the Doubting Thomas. May come for a year, Danquah for Spiritual and Herbal Center, Eddie Amount. At the culture may come for us a video be alcohol or what's anything. A year one time, because a drobian cadem. Yes, a drobian cadem. What the way I remember for us with me and say, Arena out here, the catcher say, there's a resend Ghana, there's a happy, I resend. Danquah for Spiritual and Herbal Center. See, we are or better than 10.
Ashonko enkoma wa wo hwe me sabre ewotuma GH so na ne de am no wo e kasai edie ye yankasa ye nua be man din ede eye Kevin Taylor wo ye CEO and founder and leader ede emad Loud Silence Media aya chese ye nua be me se de ye ayenim no ye Ghanaian US based journalist aje se e ba na ensema e kosom e wo ye mayi emu ne de keka ho nyina wo de babonten e bebetu edwa e wo eye na fidie kase no esom na this time around wo babonten na nipa odi ne esi ne som eye papa George Ekufu Dampare na wo hu ne se eye papa yi wo no eka ho ebi na just wo mo training and robbers e wo omayi emu training eye enkrofo ati so mo ya kromfo e de wo mo area police system no emu no mo wi na mo ansa chomo na wo mo ekunu no nya wanwa se eye papa George Ekufu Dampare wo betimi ne enkrofo bi aka aye kanana anase enkrofo bi betimi akwakokun eye mampanya wati akonya so na wo be ye ne ho se wonim because eye JB Danquah edu ewo no wonim hu ebi ati sempelifo bi awopo eye nidin an MPs bi abobo ni dim ne nyina mu no won kan hwe emfa ho ne nsem ye odi tu dwan nam so ma Ghana fododo na so so a kire wo madwen e de afa na busia moma yengo tie Kevin Taylor nsem odi tu dwan ye ba ye de wo mu aba besom
IGP a MP akase ono oka onimomo omuku JB Danquah onkasa ye Dampare oye dangerous. Last week Facebook page, Facebook page IGP Ghana Police na ejimi fobi go humble IGP God fear me Jimmy no. Nyankopon na de adwuma no ma no. Nyankopon na free so beka se be adwuma we. Ye de adwuma no ma no. E na God fearing Dampare. Oya God fearing no beka nche dipa oku JB Danquah. If Dampare is God fearing, he should come out and tell us who killed JB Danquah. He should tell us. You need to tell us who killed JB. So you're God fearing. Ode nyamisro omu. Ena GBC one say wo unim nipa oku JB Danquah. Inti beka kire you are a liar. You are not God fearing. You are a sycophant. You Dampare. Me say until you come out to tell us whether it is true or not. I see you as one of the most hypocritical. You are a liar. Now discipline now open saying you need to set an example. Come out. Your press conference na kache Ghana for said the GBC one kind no kre anase nya no kre one nam Ghana na wo ko chekele wole wa ha na wo sa na wo bia wa hem na wo ye donkey say massa no I don't care we Christoni o unya Christoni o wa kwa ye obi atuo tell me enya manam gas obey before complain no paparazzi IGP who should trust you you Dampare o just say nka American call IGP community police can come from out because you have a lot of taint on you. Mr. Dampare, you yourself, you know. Say abrochena wa sa credibility no ka onibia. Yeah, man, community police in crime yet because somebody is saying a congressman was murdered and you know and you are sitting there say God fearing my foot. You are a sycophant. Under your leadership, your police officers have turned into murderers. Are you not ashamed? You are recruiting murderers into the police service. I say come out with a press statement that you don't know anything about JB Danquah's death. Ni nim sadakra unim. Wan kasa GBC one nebeka ye. Me say abrochera wa community police kwa unya binye. You have no credibility. You are covering up for murderers. Ghana IGP is somebody covering up for murderers. You, what credibility do you have? You have nothing. Into Jimmy Fona mo Ghana say the Christopher where they God fearing my foot. You see Ghana a Christopher Ngwadia. Where they yes Christo move from Jimmy nko baby. We are asking about your busa questions, accountability. Nyankopon the free so be Dampare so IGP. Dampare has no credibility. He knows who killed JB Danquah. He knows it. Come out and tell us. Because as we speak today, you two, you are part of the murderers. You are covering up murders. GBC one Canada Japan say you know, and it's on record. Why are you quiet on it? You are what Christian? What Christian are you? You are an imposter. You Messi abrochera wanke apamo kra. E credit to the funtra president funtra. You have nothing. I bet my just obey a Ghana IGP. What makes you then a war? Because as we speak today, now they bre. Never America say what by event to be or me a press conference with Jacob. No. Kamya say, hey, tell us today. Do you know who murdered JB Danquah? Ghana journalists no Jimmy. I'll walk to your office with the cameras and say, sir, respond to this tape. Obian to me and I'll take Ghana na police penny. Yes, we are murderer. You know who murdered JB Danquah. You are sitting there, you are acting as if you've not heard it. Today, the boys you train to murder are murdering people. They are murdering your own men. You were a disgraceful IGP. The worst in our history. You are the worst in our history. Dampare, baby, I will be sorry, I could be you are a disgrace to God. You are a disgrace to your Jesus Christ. You are a disgrace to your family. Oh no, you don't pass why I'm very. Because the team will say, hey, Mikuru, now the Kevin Taylor can I won't say now so only Mama JB Danquah. This is not about intelligence. This is about making sure the right thing is done. What intelligence again? Oh, you didn't have respect to who's your crown for one kind of cre. So say Christoni. Nyame do. O kind of cre. Come out and tell us. You are such a sycophant. Ghana for so. Oh, yeah, IGP or Jesus. Come and tell us the truth. That's why today your own policemen are murdering policemen and you are killing policemen to cover it. Why do you do that? The same police killing their own men, covering up murder. I'm not surprised because the IGP has refused to speak on allegations against him. And the allegation wasn't coming from a madman. It came from a member of parliament. And the tape is there. It's more Ghana, this also Dampare. So, Dampare has changed police force. We're a fool. Dampare has not changed any police force. Dampare has rather come to destroy, taint the image of the Ghana police. Because as we speak, Dampare is a suspect in JB Danquah's death. Because a member of parliament said on TV that Dampare cannot lie. Dampare, we are used to back. Una ye Christo ni. Una obu nyankopon. Come and speak, sycophant. You are a sycophant. You are a liar. You cannot be trusted. You can sell Ghana. You this IGP. You can sit in Ghana for somebody to come and kill a Kufuado and you say you don't know. Because a member of parliament was murdered. Your name was mentioned. That you know. And that you called your boss. And the facts are there. Why are you not speaking? So somebody like you can sit and negotiate with some people to come and kill our president. Who can trust you? Nobody can trust you. Jimmy Fona. The Bible akatakata omanim na omunim nyansa no yama wadwuma say yama nipa yanka say yama nyankopon
na abusuafo say de mo amode maso ekokotie ensem no ena ochema na say papa George Ekufu Dampare de onima ne so na monten so na say wo chichikele wele na wo twitwa emfonyi ukopiem wo Ghana Police Service wo mo page so Twitter page ni Facebook ene eja wadane paparazzi ni mfonyi nkwa wonim say mes Dampare dia wontimi enye den enche ne sori ayese Ghana Christosoma na no kwaridie entimi emfrimo emfa emba Christosoma na enne IGP obi abeka se ani wunim obi ewuo hu anase wunim beye owuo bi eho ensem na wuntimi mabonten mekan ye wo mo sori a wo mo ehele papa George Ekufu Dampare san o ye God fearing man de keka wo anyambia nyame ena tonsa ede efre no anase nyame ena yi no se wo memeye IGP nemo me Ghana fo enti wo se de Ghana fo ehwehwe ena wonyensa de dodo na ena wo kan ede efa no ne nam so ma Ghana fo dodo na ekasem Kevin Taylor kamya kwa yesi amane kwan ena da bia chokrodo ena wo kansem ebra sonsa wo mo emaye etimi toye na ne nsem a wo kan no wontimi entwitwa esu because wontimi ntina baabi obi kuroso na won kan ukura wo firi mu na wo firi esu no wo meka emu ensem encheche ni mama abra wonte hanumu ebi all because of say information a won so na ma ba fonten tan so awunya it could be say na ebia information awunya no enya de say credible na say na wa ba bonten wa ba be kana wutu futuro edigo enkrofo ni na no de bi no so hwe the other aspect of the Kelvin Taylor kana won so say ampa nipa we say yi wuti na wan kasa wuti mu ayi be yi we yibonim enti da ne da ye de ensa benkuma e kire wo so ye cancer money e de efon ho anya bia wo se da krumpo de wutimi ba abonten na wutimi we kire mu se ensem we ni no ma bi no mu sei de ene wo se yintu ho anamo na IGP ebi no mu twe ye to ne de keka ho keka nsem bi kwampo na yeso ni mu ti adenti na Kevin Taylor de wontimi enhwe emma eye ne nsam a wo ka no wonfa eye proof emma no fa memeto eye edwa sane ebe ya ye ni din a wo se ne nsam a wo ka no eto ebetimi aye den etwenti na jesa busia ye ni din nsam no echi ede fa eye ho se ye papa George Kufu Dampare ebe ba responding to nsam a Kevin Taylor eka anase obebu nani ede agusu na de Kevin eka na busia wonso a wutie ye no one ne ya adwen na waje nkyere efa nsam no ho no anything fabra ebe to your comment section like the videos na share on all the social media platform eso media ene ekia sikapa makram